Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, what is democracy, why democracy in political science. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to learn the definition of democracy, understand the minimum features of the democratic form of government. Students, what is democracy and why democracy? What is the meaning of democracy and what is the role of the democracy in India? Students, nowadays some countries say that theirs is a democratic country, but really not. Theirs is different type of government. So students, what is the real definition of the democracy? It is that democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. But with the simple definition, we should not say that every country is a democratic country or non-democratic country. So that we need to go in detail. Democracy has some features. If which country fulfills all these features, that country may be really called a democratic country. Let's go to its features. The first feature in a democracy is, in a democracy, the final decision making power must rest with those elected by people. That means the rulers who are elected by people, they should only frame rules and policies. But in many countries, rulers would not make the rules or frame policies. Like Pakistan. Here we take the example of Pakistan. And today I am going to tell you the story of Pakistan. Listen to me carefully, children, because you will be getting question and answers from this story. In Pakistan 1999, Parvez Musharraf formed a military coup and overthrew the democracy. He thought that I run this country. I ran this country. In 2002, he made a referendum. Through this, he removed president. He made fraud and many malpractices while framing this referendum. As a result, this referendum favored Musharraf. And after this, in 2002, he issued a legal framework. In this legal framework order, he changed the Pakistan's constitution and framed many new amendments and get more powers. According to this legal framework,